Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today we are on our third installment of the No Coloring December, and we are doing negative florals with ink blending. To begin, we're going to be using the I Am With You stamp set. This has lots of religious and sentimental sentiments. We're going to be using the florals from the same set, which are super big and beautiful. We're going to be using the sentiment and the following colors of distress oxides and seedless preserves, chipped sapphire, and peacock feathers. We'll be using blenders and of course pieces of cardstock and our card base. Let's get started. Using black ink, we are going to begin by stamping the sentiment. I'm going to put this up on the top left corner of our card base, and then on a separate piece of cardstock we're going to stamp the two florals from the I Am With You stamp set. I'm going to fussy cut around them, leaving a little bit of a white edge around those flowers. For the purpose of this video, I am going to speed up my cutting. Next, we are going to start blending. With the sapphire, we're going to start by adding some color in the center and then blending up so we get that fade. Then with the seedless preserves, same thing, add the color to the bottom right corner and then blend up and into that sapphire. And same thing with the peacock feathers, add a ton of color and then blend. Once that's blended out, we're going to spritz this with some water to create that distress oxide effect, and let this sit for a little bit and dry. Once that's dry, we are going to place it on our card base, and using foam adhesive we're going to place pieces on the back of those florals and not covering our sentiment, and then cutting the excess of the flower. And that does it. Thanks so much for joining me today on the No Coloring December series, and we are using the I Am With You stamp set from Unity Stamps. Thanks so much. Have a great day.